Yes, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the beginning right there, we are going over how to ollie. Now this is the basis of a lot of tricks, so this is going to be one that you want to get down. Before we get into it, make sure to like, comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel. The original ollie was invented by Ollie Gelfand in the late 70s, and he actually used to scoop the tail. It was not until Rodney Mullen took that inspiration and added the pop and snap of the flat ground ollie that we know today. So I just came back from skateboarding, so you're gonna have to bear with me on this one. If you have no experience really skateboarding and you want to really practice, I would go on a soft surface like carpet or grass right in the beginning. So I'm gonna use my video here as an example. As you see me coming up for the ollie, foot placement is going to be everything here. I like to put my foot not right in the middle of the board, but towards the middle of the board with my heel partially hanging up. Now this is going to depend on your size of your foot. I have a size 11, and on an 8.1 board, this is what I'm working with here. As well as that, the back foot is going to be in a place where you can pop and snap that tail up. If you haven't tried that out, it's going to be the basis of the ollie. It's your snap and pop of that tail. As you pop the tail, you notice I'm on the ball of my foot. So on the ball of my foot, I pop that tail, and as you see it raise up, front foot is simultaneously sliding up the grip tape. So you can see my ankle is in full tilt, sliding right up towards the nose, which is lifting the board up. A lot of people will ollie and they'll go straight up and straight back down. You want to level out. So as you see this is becoming leveled. In turn, this is a little tiny transition I'm going down, so I actually tilt a little bit farther down, and you see my feet where I'm landing on. My feet are actually in the bolts position, so where the bolts of the board under the trucks, you can see I'm landing straight on them, which is letting me ride away with ease. Now I will tell you straight up, that is the fundamentals of doing an ollie, but as you progress doing that ollie, you may do a small one right in the beginning, and in turn you will get better and better with height, with distance, with even tucking. And that's another thing, tucking your legs are going to give you that height advantage, as well as you being able to jump, because in the end it's going to help you out. But board slides, doing ledges, various heights of ledges, into stalls, into transitional ollies, into ollie transitions, it's an all-around basis of getting better skateboarding. So I'm hoping this helped out. This is the first time me doing a video like this for the channel, so if you could like, comment down below, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. This was Mick.